Citizenship in uncertain times, navigating the Trump administration challenges ahead. As the U.S. transitions into a new political era under the Trump administration, immigrants pursuing citizenship face mounting challenges. While naturalization has always been a rigorous process, current obstacles, such as significant backlogs, heightened scrutiny, and potential policy changes, are creating new barriers for those seeking to become U.S. citizens. In her blog post about U.S. citizenship, immigration attorney Elina M. Santana, founder of Santana Rodriguez Law, emphasizes the importance of preparation. Santana writes, "Citizenship is more than a status, it's a commitment to your future and the values that brought you here." With 3 million cases pending in immigration courts at the start of 2024, her insights are more relevant than ever as applicants navigate an increasingly complex system. The new administration, what's changing? The Trump administration's return to power is expected to bring stricter immigration policies and increased barriers to naturalization. During its previous term, the administration implemented measures that slowed processing times, increased vetting, and narrowed eligibility for immigration benefits. Experts predict a renewed focus on these restrictive policies in the coming years, potentially exacerbating challenges for citizenship applicants. Concerns under the new administration. Increased vetting. A renewed emphasis on enhanced vetting could add additional layers of security checks, delaying applications even further. Background checks, while standard, may become more intrusive, especially for applicants from certain countries. Fee hikes. Rising application fees for naturalization have been proposed in the past and may resurface, potentially placing citizenship out of reach for many low-income applicants. Shift in priorities. US's resources may be diverted toward enforcement or asylum adjudication, leaving naturalization applications at the bottom of the priority list. Backlogs and bottlenecks. The U.S. immigration system is already struggling with a massive backlog. At the start of 2024, over 3 million cases were pending in immigration courts, and naturalization applications are often caught in the same delays. How this affects applicants. Longer wait times. Many applicants experience extended delays, with some cases taking years to resolve. Uncertainty with rules. Policy changes during the wait period can retroactively impact pending applications. More opportunities for errors. Lengthy processing times create room for errors in documentation or missed deadlines. Santana underscores the importance of vigilance. Staying informed about your case status and policy updates is essential during these times of uncertainty, she advises in her blog post. The path ahead, anticipating challenges. While specific policy proposals from the Trump administration are still emerging, immigration experts warn of possible changes that could directly affect naturalization applicants. Stricter requirements for English proficiency and civics. The administration could implement more rigorous testing standards, increasing the difficulty for non-native speakers or older applicants. Limitations on dual citizenship. While speculative, the administration's focus on loyalty may lead to restrictions on holding dual citizenship. New bars to good moral character. Expanded definitions of offenses that disqualify applicants may create additional hurdles for those with even minor legal infractions. In her blog, Santana emphasizes the importance of understanding these challenges early. Preparation isn't just about filling out forms, it's about staying ahead of potential obstacles, she writes. Strategies for success. Despite the challenges, immigrants can take proactive steps to strengthen their citizenship applications and navigate the uncertainty. Start early. Begin the application process as soon as you're eligible. Early action minimizes the impact of potential fee increases or policy changes. Seek expert guidance. Working with an experienced immigration attorney, such as Elina Santana, can help ensure applications are accurate and complete. Attorneys can also help identify strategies to expedite the process when possible. Stay organized. Keep copies of all documentation, including travel records and proof of residency. This information will be critical for meeting the eligibility requirements. Monitor your case. Regularly check the status of your application and stay informed about changes in immigration policy that could affect your case. A time to advocate. Immigrants pursuing citizenship in today's climate face more than personal hurdles, they must contend with systemic challenges that impact millions. Santana urges applicants to remain engaged in advocacy efforts and to lean on their communities for support. Naturalization is not just a milestone, it's an affirmation of your resilience and contributions to this country, she states. In her blog post on citizenship, Santana highlights the value of perseverance. Despite the obstacles, immigrants who remain committed to the process can achieve their dreams of U.S. citizenship, creating a better future for themselves and their families. Legal disclaimer. The opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views or positions of KISS PR or its partners. This content is provided for informational purposes only and should not be construed as legal, financial, or professional advice. KISS PR makes no representations as to the accuracy, completeness, correctness, suitability, or validity of any information in this article and will not be liable for any errors, omissions, or delays in this information or any losses, injuries, or damages arising from its display or use. All information is provided on an as-is basis.